how to cancel Google Play subscription. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you cancel your Google Play subscription. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open your Google Play Store on your device. So simply you have to open it. Alright, so after you open the Google Play Store with your account, you'll got such interface. So now from here, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here, you'll have to tap on this payment and subscription. So simply tap on it. And now from the payment and subscription section, you'll have to go with the option subscription. So simply go with that option. Alright, so from the subscription section, you'll be able to see or view all of your subscription on Google Play. So from here, you can easily select that subscription whom you want to cancel. So simply you have to tap on that subscription, and from there you can easily find the options like cancel the subscription. So from there you'll have to just tap on that option. So this is the easiest and simplest method. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.